Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a photography website with Squarespace. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in Squarespace. Click on the first link that says www.squarespace.com. Now, log into Squarespace using user credentials. If you are new, click on Get Started. Now, after you click on Get Started, it says Step 1. What's your site about? So, you'll have to click on Search for your site topic and choose Photography. Click on Next. Choose what do you want to do with your website, whether you're going to promote a physical business, send invoices, showcase your work expertise, sell online course, sell on-demand videos, and all these options. So I'm going to choose showcase my work and expertise and click on next. Now choose how would you like to start building your website, whether you're going to browse templates for your website or you want to build it with artificial intelligence. So if you choose the first option, you'll have a curated set of professionally designed website templates from which you can choose from. If you choose the second option, you can build a custom website guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI. So I'm going to choose browse templates, that is the first option. Here, you'll get all these templates. So we are going to choose, for example, this one. So click on any of the templates that you prefer, and you'll be navigated to this page that is templates. You can choose your sample color preset for your website. So you have all these colors available. Click on any one of them and see which one suits you best. After selecting one, click on Start with Design button. Now this will set up your photography website on Squarespace. So on this page, you'll have to click on the My Squarespace site, enter the site name and click on Continue. After this, click on Continue 2 times again and click on Get Started button. Now, you'll be automatically navigated to this page where you can click on the Edit button at the top left of the screen and you'll have the option to edit all the elements from your photography site. So this is site header. Click on Edit Site Header and you'll be able to set the title and logo of your site. Click on this button. Enter another title if you wish. Now, if you want to enter a logo image, click on Add Logo. Click on Upload File if you want to upload a logo from your PC's directory. If you want to select from library, click on Select from Library. Now after you click on Upload File, you'll have to search for the picture that you want to upload as a logo. So for example, I will choose this one. Now you'll be able to set the logo height and mobile logo max height. After it's done, you have your site title and logo. Now you can edit the navigation button. Click on Edit after navigation. You can click on this button and drag them and place them anywhere you want. Now you can click on the login button if you want to delete it. Simply click on delete. You can edit all these social links. Click here, click on edit button. Now, for example, this is Instagram. I'll click here and remove this already existing link and paste my Instagram link here. Whenever someone is going to click on this link, they'll be promoted to my Instagram page. Now, click on cart, click on edit cart. You can enter the style and icon for your cart. You can edit the cart icon size. You can choose whether you want to show border or not. Now, after doing this, we have our header successfully edited. Now, we'll navigate to this section. Here you get two options, Edit Section and Manage Posts. Click on Edit Section and you'll be able to choose the layout, whether you want it to be a side-by-side blog, basic grid blog, single column blog, or alternating side-by-side blog. So you can choose whatever you want and navigate to the page spacing section. Here you can choose the width, whether it's going to be full or inset. Scroll down and click on Image Placement. You can choose whether you want this image for your photography website to the left or to the right. If you choose right, the text will appear to the left and the image will be on the right side of the screen. You can choose the aspect ratio, image size, image spacing, text alignment, image to text alignment. If I click top, choose middle. Now the text will be placed just at the right of the image in the middle. Now you can choose colors and choose another color for this section on your theme. If I choose this, for example, as you can see, the color is set at dark brown. If you click on the pencil icon and click on section background, you can choose the opacity of this color, click on custom and choose any kind of color you want for your website. Now go back, close this, scroll down and you can click on the Manage Posts button and click on Save. Now this is automatically going to take you to the Manage Posts section on your Squarespace. Now when you click on Manage Posts button, it is going to show you some tools at the left of the screen. You can click on Blog Content and you'll have all the images that will be already uploaded. So this is this image. you'll have to click on the three-dotted icon after any image, click on settings. Now click on remove image. This image will be removed. Click on add image. Now you'll be able to add your image to this website. So I'm going to choose this one and click on open. And on this page, you can also edit the excerpt for this page. That is the description for this page. You can edit the post URL. You can add another author if you have any. You can enter the source URL or link this post title to source URL. You can click on delete if you want to delete this section. Now you also have the option to set the status as published. You can add tags to this post. You can add categories, comments, and disable comments for this post. You can navigate to SEO and add a SEO description, add SEO title. You can navigate to social image, click on add image and choose an alternate social sharing image. Click on share and you'll be able to create an email draft or connect a social media account to this image. You can navigate to location and add a location for this image. Now, after doing this, click on save and as you can see, I just replaced this image that was already existing with a new one. So this will be applied to all the images that will be available here. If you want to delete any one of these, click on the three-dotted icon, click on delete. That image will be deleted. So you can upload all your photography works by navigating to this manage post section, clicking on three-dotted icon, clicking on settings and upload your images after removing this, add an excerpt, do all the settings as I previously showed and click on save. And after doing this, you can go back and as you can see, I have this photography website ready for publishing. Now, I will have to just click on back button at the home and I have my website successfully available. I will have to now click on preview button and I'll be able to see how my website is looking like here. As you can see, this photography website is already published. So that's how you make a photography website with a Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.